Oh, look at the sight of all the lovely bikes. Alright, that's hopefully my corner marking duties done for a while. G'day guys, Mr. Oz Adventure here, and I'm coming at you today from the Suzuki Australia adventure ride. We are on a Queensland ride. I'm pretty sure they do this sort of thing all over Australia, and they've come up to ride with us in Queensland. I've been helping to organise some of this route, and a good mate of mine, Mark from the V-Strom group, is the lead rider out the front. I just led the way through some of the trickier parts of the suburbs he wasn't sure about, and now we're on the main road heading south out of Queensland. Well, not the main road, the main twisty road through Numinbah Valley. We're heading out to Warwick via some dirt, via some twisty bitumen roads. We've got about 30 to 40 Suzuki bikes. We've got lots of V-Stroms, we've got some DRs, and we've got a few other makes and models as well chucked in. I think I saw a Kawasaki and a Ducati. It's going to be an epic weekend. We're staying over out there tonight, then we're going to go out to the Queensland round of the Australian Superbike Series at Morgan Park in Warwick tomorrow. That is going to be pretty cool as well. This is going to be an amazing day. Make sure you stick with us. I've got a new 50-50 type motorcycle tyre on the back, the Midas EO7, and I am going to be ripping up the dirt like a crazy man. Yeah, no, probably not. Oh, here comes the rain. Looks like we're just about to get a little bit wet. About to see how waterproof this Suzuki jacket of mine is. Alrighty, here we go. We are leaving Queensland and entering New South Wales, and we will be entering Queensland later on today at White Swamp in the dirt section. One of the dirt sections we're doing today. That'll be after lunch. Okay, we've been on the road for about an hour and a quarter now, and we've just come into Tyalgum, where we're just going to have a little bit of a toilet stop for about 20 minutes and regroup, and then we're going to hit the dirt. Suzukis have taken over the main street. Alrighty, here we go again. About to head up Melbourne National Park and do some dirt in the wet. The good thing about it being wet is it should keep the dust down. Well, definitely will keep the dust down. It's such a shame about the weather, because these mountain views over here are just absolutely glorious when the sun's out. If you want to see what that looks like, here's a little bit of a snippet what it looks like on a sunny day. And just over there, you've got my warning, but you can't see it today. Oh, this is slippery through here. The bike in front of me just had a big skid. These tyres are pretty stable though, feel alright. I haven't moved around too much, but it is slippery. Oh, I know the camera's not going to pick up shit because it's just so fogged up. But yeah, this is quite adventurous. for a heap of V-Stroms, that is. Sliding all over the place. Not too bad now, but through the middle of the forest there, it was, yeah, quite challenging for a lot of people. Every now and then you get a patch of clay right in the middle of the road that's just slippery and you can't avoid it. You just got to go through it just gingerly. But for the most part, it's pretty easy to spot. Just go around it and pick some rocks to give you a little bit of traction. Well, that's it for the dirt for now, until later on in the afternoon, after we have a little bit of a break in Kyogle. Now I've got some nice bitumen twisties coming up. That's where we just came from. Right down there. Watch where you're going, you clown. Watch where you're going. Getting ready to head them on out. Bit of a break, bit of a bite to eat. Time to head up the highway for a little bit and then find some more dirt. Right, here we go, the next section of dirt. Whoa. Fuck. Let's get through this hairy section and see if these guys are alright. Fuck me. That is slippery. Shit, probably shouldn't have gone in there either. Far out.
Street, saying hello to the people I meet, and I'm killing my love underneath the sun, triggering down like the smoking gun. Yeah, I ain't got no plans, just a rusty voice and an empty gas can. My car's broken down a mile behind, and I've got my life set on rewind, baby. I ain't got no plans, just a rusty voice and an empty gas can. My car's broken down a mile behind, and I've got my life set on rewind, baby. Street, saying hello to the people I meet, and I'm killing my love underneath the sun, triggering down like the smoking gun. Yeah, I ain't got no plans, just a rusty
finally made it to accommodation. It is dark, dark, dark. Only did like 370 k's today, but took all day. With all the slipping and sliding and the winding, twisty back roads. Bloody awesome day though, huge day. It's freezing now. Anyway, I'll sign off. That was an awesome day of riding. Cheers. Ah, here we go. Sunday morning, leaving Cheraba Resort. Interesting stay here. We're off to Morgan Park Raceway in Warwick for the Australian Superbikes, the Queensland round. Should be a pretty good day out there. I haven't been before. Been meaning to go to Morgan Park for quite a number of years. Haven't seen any bike racing in the flesh for a long time. Stay out there for a couple of hours and then head on home. It's about 3 hours back to the Gold Coast from Warwick, going the quick way. Took us all day to get here yesterday, but I'm just going to go home the quick way, I think, after watching the Superbikes. Put the old V-Strom in race mode after watching all the bike racing and see how much earning I can do on the highway. Righty, here we go, Morgan Park. Woohoo! So we're still here with the Suzuki Australia guys, and they informed us last night that got a Team Suzuki guy on the front row of the grid. So hopefully we can see a Suzuki take victory. Let's go and have a look at some racing.
Yeah, it's going to turn into a time. About 300ths of a second, but Josie pulls up in front of his fans, I'd say.
Ah, well that's it for Morgan Park. Unfortunately I can only stay for a couple of hours because I really got to get home and clean the bike up and get ready for another week of joy at work, the realities of life and responsibilities. It was good to get out here, epic weekend of riding yesterday, great company last night, and awesome to finally get to Morgan Park. Finally. Also got to catch up with and meet for the first time a subscriber to the channel and Facebook friend. He's got his own channel on social media too. I'll throw a link to him somewhere along the line there too. Anyway, I'll stop rambling now and I shall ride on home. Thanks for watching guys, I'll see you later. Bye bye.